In this week's edition of the Business Review, more progress being made to regularize the local ganja industry. But correspondent banking issues still linger. TVJ's Andrew Ladley has the update.
Jamaica's ganja industry moving full speed ahead, but still hampered by one major problem.
We are still faced with the challenge of financial institutions in Jamaica and many international jurisdictions not allowing banking transactions for legally licensed medicinal cannabis companies because of the restrictions imposed by the United States banks. If developing countries are to compete successfully, there cannot be unwarranted impediments in our way.
Industry and Commerce Minister Audley Shaw argued that the U.S. restrictions are hypocritical.
Because it is inexplicable that in the United States right now, 31 states are actively in this business. And 31 governors of the United States have sent a petition to President Trump asking for an urgent dealing with the issue of correspondent banking. How can it be that this is not yet straightened out, yet there are 6 companies listed on the New York Stock Exchange and NASDAQ in this industry?
At the same time, Mr. Shaw announced that laws to regulate the import and export of ganja products should be in place by next month.
So when the export regulations are promulgated, and I have set a target for the end of September, I have set a target for the end of September for the regulations to be promulgated and in place, because I want us to start exporting extracted oil and buds from Jamaica into external markets. Canada wants it. Australia is crying out for it. Germany wants it. All over the world, they want the Jamaican brand.
He says Jamaica will be one of 10 countries in the world with an export regime for ganja products.
The CLA will have the authority to grant export permits. And let me give you an idea. Let me give you an idea what that is. When a licensed agency extracts 50 gallons of oil from marijuana ganja produced in Jamaica, package it in that 50-gallon container and export it. You know what the value of that 50-gallon container of oil is? 15 million Canadian dollars. Yes. 50 gallons. And I think if we know what we're doing and do it right, because of our unusual strains and our unusual and God-given range of climatic conditions, we might be able to demand a premium price higher than that.
Mr. Shaw pointed out that consultations have also started for hemp regulations.
We have also engaged a legal consultant to commence drafting instructions to inform the timely preparation of hemp regulations, as it is very important that regulatory framework is in place to enable marijuana and specific strains of hemp, that is high CBD strains, to coexist, as we consider the protection of both industries quite important.
Today, the Cannabis Licensing Authority CLA has been working with ganja-based organizations and has granted 54 licenses. Andrew Ladley, TVJ News.